was also very nice today. But it's almost amazing because it's early DEVE-Schindler built in 1991.
Yeah.
It's on Östra Järnvägsgatan 3 to Tranås. Järnvägsgatan out in Sweden today on the 25th of April 2025. 3 cars, the best 8 cars and 62 cars. Unfortunately, the serial number is missing.
Yeah.
So it was built in 1991.
Yeah. He's big by the grant, the maintenance tank not.
Yeah, who is maintaining it? But it's unknown.
Yeah.
Schindler maybe, but
Yeah.
because here there's a sticker Schindler is.
Yeah.
Yes, that's it. Thanks so much. And this is 91 on that.
Yeah. That's